Do your slides still look boring and unimpressive like this? Well, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transform this into this. So first, go ahead and create a new slide and change the layout to blank. Next, go to Insert, Shapes, and Rounded Rectangle. Then add a shape that looks somewhat like this. Then go ahead and duplicate it and reposition it 3 times as follows. Now, once you have this arrangement, select all of them, go to Shape Outline and change it to No Outline. Then right-click the background, click on Format Background, and change the color to something that you prefer. Now select the rightmost rectangle, and if you don't already have this panel open, you can right-click and click on Format Shape. Then change the fill to Picture or Texture Fill and insert the picture of your choice. Then change the colors of the 3 remaining rectangles. Then double-click each of the rectangles to insert your text. If any of the rectangles are covering some of the text of other rectangles, don't hesitate to just move them to the side. Now, once you have your text ready, select all of them and try to position all of these in the center as well as you can. Then go ahead and duplicate the slide. Now in the first slide, select all the rectangles, go to Shape Format, click on Align and Align Center and Align Middle. And make sure that the title rectangle is on the very top here. And also make sure to rotate it so that it is perfectly straight. Now select the slides that you have just made, go to Transitions and click on Morph. Then once you've applied the transition, change the duration to 1 second. Now let us see the final result. So if you did find this video helpful or useful, make sure to like and subscribe to stay tuned with more video tutorials, tips, and tricks on our channel. Stay tuned.